Hello viewers, welcome back once again to your own channel The Supreme Soul। देख लेते हैं आपके लिए आपके पार्टनर्स की करंट फीलिंग्स आज के लिए क्या रहेंगी। तो ही है शी है, आप अपने हिसाब से रेजोनेट करेंगे। सभी साइन सभी जेंडर्स के लिए रहेगी। आपके साथ रेजोनेट करती है तो क्लेम करेंगे, डबल वन लिखेंगे। ओके, फोकस करेंगे, पॉजिटिव रहेंगे। ओके, सो the current feelings of your partner for that day. Let's hope for the best. One more shuffle. Stay positive. Divine, please guide. So the first card. Okay, please know that you were never at fault. आप मान लीजिए कि आपकी गलती नहीं थी। ओके, कंफर्मेशन है कि यू वर नॉट एट फॉल्ट। सामने वाले से कहीं गलती हुई। आई वॉन्ट टू टच योर सोल। दैट्स सो स्वीट। समबडी वांट्स टू रिकंसाइल एंड कम बैक टू यू। कोई आपके पास आना चाहता है, वापस आना चाहता है। आई वॉन्ट टू टच योर सोल। दैट्स सो स्वीट। It's very rare in today's times. It might be a soul connection or divine connection between you guys. That's why soul. Talking about the soul. I want to touch your soul. That's so sweet. Still feel that our bond is special. Yes. Because this is the double confirmation here. Still feel that our bond is special. Yes, it's a divine connection. It might be a soul connection between you two. Again, the fear of rejection. Still, they are unable. I mean, you people are unable to confront each other. एक दूसरे को समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है, या तो विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है। Unable to believe that you both are meant for each other. So the fear of rejection of this 3D world is existing, still existing somewhere, though it's a divine connection. But the souls are connected, always with you. This is triple confirmation. Whosoever is there, वही है, she है। आप अपने हिसाब से रेजोनेट करेंगे, but they wanted to confirm that they are always with you. It's a sweet surprise. Okay, some surprise is coming your way. That's so nice. What you must be knowing, वो आपको पता होगा। I wish I could turn back the time. There might be the things that might have gone wrong in the past. Recent past में मे बी आप लोगों के बीच में कुछ हुआ है, डिस्टेंसेस आए, या तो आप कनेक्शन में नहीं थे। मे बी आई विश आई कुड टर्न बैक द टाइम। मे बी सम पास्ट एनर्जीज माइट बी देयर, सम नेगेटिविटीज मस्ट बी creeping, but he or she wishes कि they could turn back the time. Fine, that's good. As usual, it's a short reading. I can still recall the songs we shared. यहाँ म्यूजिक है, good times in the past, recalling all those moments. Good. Fine. Okay, I feel you're leaving me behind. Why? कहीं उनको लगता है कि आप उन्हें पीछे छोड़ रहे हो। आप आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, आप ग्रो कर रहे हैं, आप ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहे हैं। सोल कनेक्शन, yes, that is actually I was looking for. It's a soul connection between you two. This is the dead confirmation after all. So these are the cards. ब्रीफ करेंगे एक बार। Please know that you were never at fault. There might be the things that might have gone wrong in the past. कुछ गलत हुआ है, बट वो कंफर्म करना चाहते हैं, चाहती हैं जो भी हो, whatever he or she, कि आपकी गलती नहीं थी। The fear of rejection holds me back. यहाँ कुछ था, रिजेक्शन से रिलेटेड कुछ इश्यूज थे। मे बी you were growing faster, you were going somewhere, and he or she was going somewhere else. There was lack of understanding, there was lack of maturity. There might be some reasons, but now they confirm. I want to touch your soul, always with you. Confirmation. Still feel that our bond is special. Yeah, special. It's a special bond that you share. Sweet surprise. There is some surprise coming your way in the coming year. Hardly few days are remaining. So just hardly 1 week is there. Maybe the new year will be surprising you he or she might be coming up with a very great surprise and sweet surprise for you. I wish I could turn back the time. जो भी हुआ past में, they want to regret for that. So they wish they could turn back the time. But it's okay. Let us be positive enough and look forward. I can still recall the songs we shared. Songs are still there in the air. Okay. So still you can see the positivity. I feel that you were leaving me behind. No, it's not actually the same. But there were distances that were being created. Distances आए हैं इसलिए problems थोड़े से create हुए, but now the things are getting back into the place. Okay, now this is finally a soul connection between you guys. Okay, so I think this might give you some clarity about your situation if you're looking for some guidance for the day. So this is the situation. I want to touch your soul. This is soul connection, sweet surprise. Okay, I wish I could turn back the times and always with you. So that's all for now. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon. Stay healthy, happy, and blessed always.